Hello everybody and welcome to Infinite Google Ads Tracking and GTM app. In this video, we are going to discuss how to enable enhanced conversions. So let's get started. It's basically active by default in our app. In case it's not activated, you can activate it by watching this video. First of all, let's check what is enhanced conversion tracking. Enhanced conversions is a feature that can improve the accuracy of your conversion measurement and unlock more powerful bidding. Here you can see I have completed the purchase event in my store. Now let's move to the Tag Assistant extension. Click on Summary and then on Tags. You can see the purchase event is tracked here. Now if I click on Purchase and then on Data Layer, this is the data layer of the purchase event and all the details related to purchase event are being tracked here. You can see all the details here. This data will be attributed in Google's conversion. So let's move to the Google Ads account. Here you have to click on Goals, Conversions and then on Summary, and here is my purchase event. So I'm clicking on it. Here you can see Enhanced Conversions. As I told you that it's active by default in our app, but in case if it's not active, you will have to click on Edit Settings. Here you can see Enhanced Conversions. I'm clicking on it and let's click on Conversion Settings. Here you have to link it to Google Tag Manager. You can see I'm linking it to Google Tag Manager here. And you can see the enhanced conversions feature is turned on. And if it's not active, you can activate it from here. And I will recommend you all must use this feature for creating more optimized ads and increasing the conversions. So this was all about enhanced conversions. I hope now you have got the idea of how to do it. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thanks for watching this video.